Net zero is a formidable target for Scotland, but one which is achievable. The consequences of not meeting the target are severe: increased extreme weather events, food shortages, flooding, landslips and new health threats.
The science demonstrates how close we are to irreversible change, and it's the reason the government target was set. We're all familiar with the target of net zero emissions by 2045, but less familiar with the interim target of 70% reductions by 2030, which is less than 10 years away.
So how do we get there? Collectively, we need to convert all heating and transport to low or zero carbon emissions. We need improved design to remove waste and reuse materials that require high carbon levels to extract and manufacture, such as plastics. We need to find ways to do this that are just and inclusive.
High's approach for a just transition to net zero focuses on the advantage we have in the region. Our natural capital is amongst the most resourceful and plentiful in the world.
Our marine environment offers significant opportunity for energy generation, marine science, manufacturing and aquaculture.
Our track record and world firsts in innovation and renewable energy provide a solid foundation and offer business and job opportunities in every part of our region.
We will work with partners in assisting other sectors to decarbonise. The food and drink, tourism, construction and transport sectors' commitments offer real potential for the region's supply chain.
Particularly innovative is the opportunity to support a shift to zero-emission aviation. Our region has the basis for a globally competitive ecotourism market, a zero-carbon destination.
The importance of land management is also vital, reframing the way communities and businesses extract value from the land.
And our staff are critical in innovating and finding the route through this transition. We are training around 40 staff on the science, the policy, the imperative and the solutions to net zero. As our trained climate champions apply this learning, we will discover new ways of supporting the transition across the region.
We're delivering on the green recovery this year with a series of small projects for the £2 million Highlands Green Recovery Programme. We anticipate this programme will lead the way for much larger investments in the future.
Although we're facing unprecedented change in our lifestyles, the need for a focus on net zero and the green recovery is unambiguous.
High is here to help you identify how to adapt to new ways of doing business and improving the places we each live and work, in a way that is leading a green recovery and a net zero future.